Kamiti ya Senate ya ugima wa mwiri iritongoragio ni Senator Jackson Madego ni irari na giikaro na gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja kwaririria ciĩgimaine na ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Oho ni maririirie maundu megimaine ari ni hamwe na nyumba ya kuiga mĩĩrĩ nginyagia ugima wa meciria wa aruti a wĩra mũciari-ini ya Nairobi. Gavana Sakaja akiuga ati aruti a wĩra makoragwo na atarania meciria a kũmahe motaro kuri aruti othe a wĩra. Hindi iyo no atariirie kuri na miario niguo guthutukania andu aria marehagwo mocarĩ-inĩ na borithi marutĩtwo kũndũ gũtiganĩte na aria marehagwo ni ũndũ kuona borithi ndĩrĩhaga na no gũkorwo na ũritũ makĩria.
And maybe all the people that handle these bodies, are they taken through counseling and all that?
For all our staff, wellness is available for them. It is in the insurance cover. We encourage them, and we have our own county councillors. Many counties didn't have in their schemes of service provisions for clinical psychologists, psychiatrists to be hired. So many counties didn't have that component. We changed that, and even as Nairobi, we've had very many, counsellors, psychiatrists. In our facilities, you find that service available.
The other thing that was a problem in Nairobi Funeral Home are unclaimed bodies, and also bodies that are brought by the police. And I actually made a recommendation that there is need to have a separate problem mortuary because of the nature of Nairobi and the issues of crime and all these unclaimed bodies. It is completely necessary to have a separate mortuary to handle issues of police, because the bodies are kept there for years and before the matters are concluded, and if they are mixed with the regular bodies where families come to take, those staff there specifically made that request that their work would be made easier if they are dealing, with the issue of normal bodies from facility and so forth. But the ones that have police issues should actually be kept in a separate place. So
Nairobi Funeral Home, by the time we went there had been a challenge with the coolers. We've increased the number of coolers. There are 10 new coolers in Nairobi Funeral Home. The issue of disposing bodies has to go through a court process. We have to go to the courts to allow us, and we put the list in the paper. It's very expensive. But in the last financial year, we've been able to dispose 1,000 bodies from Nairobi Funeral Home. I really like the idea that you've given. That a special facility be set up purely for those cases that are from crime or police cases, etc., because they're treated differently. And that's a conversation we can have. Because it reached a point that my chief officer refused to receive bodies from the police, and now the bodies were kept in a truck. Now the police boss tells me he has no mortuary. What does he do? Because they don't pay. For all other people, there's a payment that is done. But for the cases that come from the Kenya police, they do not pay. And so we said, let's find an arrangement between ourselves and the national police, because they don't provide such health services, but they can help us construct, or we can construct a facility that those cases can be dealt with in the manner they're dealt with.